So let's go select our basket, Command N, and I'm going to choose a Cocoa Touch class, and this is going to be our welcome view controller. And let's click next, click create, and I'm going to set the view controller class here to welcome view controller. And now we can open our assistant editor. Let me just click on it, and we can do our connections. So let's just get our items here. So on top, I'm going to put a mark called this IB outlets. And from our outlets, we want to connect three things. We want our email, our password, and resend email, because this one we're going to control dynamically if this is visible or no. By default, it's going to be hidden. So let's start from our email. Then we connect our password. And our resend button. All right, and then we have to connect the actions. So let's scroll down. I'm going to delete this navigation part, and let's also delete this. Let's quickly add some, remove this space, put mark view life cycle. Mark IP actions. And actions, we have to put all our buttons. So let's start from the top. This is our cancel button. So we call this cancel button pressed. Then we have our login button. And we have our register button. Register button pressed, and we have forgot password. And resend email. Okay, we have connected everything. And we can close actually our user interface, and let's just make this area a bit cleaner. I'm going to add some extra spaces here. And that's it for this lecture. What we can do is just put some print statement and call this cancel, just to make sure that our buttons are working. Call this login. This will be register. And resend. All right, and in our next lecture, we are going to display this view, because right now when we are in our item here, and if I click on this button, it will add to our basket, but technically we want to make sure that our user is logged in or no, and if no, we are going to present this login view.